After we have been able to deal with the homelessness of humans, it's now time to deal with the homelessness of animals. We need to do more research to understand better precisely where and how the problem is evolving, and it's critical as we position the city for success in the very different world of the 21st century.
As we begin these initiatives, we could not ask for a better partner than Houston PetSet's advisory board member, Jan Duncan. She understands the issue and is always there to say, "I will help."
I too believe that we must work to solve the problem of animal homelessness in our community. I'm grateful to fund these initiatives through Houston PetSet.
I talked to the mayor. We both agree that yes, people could take their pets into the emergency shelters.
The Houston Astros are world champions.
Good morning. That's right. The Lance McCullers Jr. Foundation has teamed up with Houston PetSet to get animals that were abandoned during Hurricane Harvey to find them some adoptive homes in California.
Well, when the hurricane hit, our shelters were already overcrowded with animals. We're moving these animals from Houston to California and making room for even more dogs that are coming in off the streets.
There's so many other issues to focus on for the future. For example, those whose passion is caring for animals, and I know that there's a table in the back that has several people that are really big on that. They should be able to know in their hearts that the animal shelters in Harris County are the model of compassion and that everything possible is being done to reduce the number of stray animals.
Tina and I feel so blessed to do the work that we do for the animals. When you are acutely aware of the suffering of our companion animals on the streets, it's impossible to idly sit by. You are on the front lines and in the trenches, rescuing dogs and cats who have no homes, no voice, and no name. What we do it for you, and we know that you do it for the animals, and we appreciate that.